Welcome guys. Today in this video I will talk about what is Karl Fischer reaction in simple words. So let's begin, friends. Before going to our video, subscribe our channel Pak Health TV and press the bell icon button. What is Karl Fischer reaction? Today I will talk about in detail what is Karl Fischer and what is Karl Fischer reaction. 1853, Karl Fischer, a scientist, developed this method. This is a simple titration method to determine the water content in any solid or liquid compounds. The basis of the reaction is this: sulfur dioxide and iodine plus water present in the compound react together and produce hydrogen iodide and sulfuric acid. Karl Fischer used iodine, sulfur dioxide, methanol, pyridine, and water present in the compound for this titration and method development. Now we move toward what is Karl Fischer reagent and how this is made. In first time, Karl Fischer reagent is prepared by pyridine, iodine, and sulfur dioxide. But in later years, pyridine is found to be carcinogenic compound, and this is replaced by imidazole. So nowadays, Karl Fischer reagent is prepared by imidazole, iodine, and sulfur dioxide. Uses of each chemical in the reaction. Karl Fischer reagent contains SO2, I2, and imidazole. Karl Fischer reagent react with water present in the compound. More the water content in sample, Karl Fischer reagent is taken inside the reaction vessel. Resulting iodides are detected by the electrode. Karl Fischer reagent, which is the mixture of SO2, I2, and imidazole, react with water present in sample and form hydrogen iodide and sulfuric acid. The resulting sulfuric acid is stabilized by imidazole because imidazole is a weak base and acts like a buffering agent. So guys, hope that was helpful for you. Thank you. For more upcoming videos, subscribe our channel and click the bell icon button.